So you might be in a situation where for some reason you might have some dust or some water underneath the lens of your Google Pixel camera, and you might be trying to figure out how to fix it. Now, the number one thing I would recommend every single person to do is to go through and just make sure you've wiped down the lens on your Google Pixel camera and make sure that the dust or water isn't on top of the lens. If it's on top of the lens, that's going to be a much easier fix. So try making sure that that's not the case. Same thing with your front camera as well. Just go through and make sure that isn't the problem. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be the issue, like you can verify that the water and the dust is under the lens, the first thing I'd recommend doing is trying to see if you can visibly see where the dust in the water is. So if you've noticed that the water has gotten into the cracks of your phone via maybe some other method, maybe there's a crack inside of your screen or whatever, or crack inside of your camera lens, try putting your phone in a room temperature area, maybe a little bit more warm, and leave your phone kind of towards where that crack is, and let the water kind of evaporate out of that crack. If there's no crack or anything like that, what you can also do is grab a can of compressed air, or maybe if you have if there is a seam that you can kind of see, if you can go through and even use your just blow air from your mouth from wherever that area is, and try seeing if you can get some of that air out. I would recommend going via the compressed air method. That might be better. Same thing can go with the front side as well. The problem with using your mouth to blow the air is that sometimes you can blow some random dust and stuff back into it, versus compressed air is more condensed. So that's the other option. There's not really too many other options you have besides taking apart your phone and removing it. So that is kind of the main way to do it in my personal opinion. So that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.